Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can start with System.io as an affiliate. So first of all, you can just open a web browser and dive into System.io, and this is the homepage as you can see. So welcome to System.io. You're all in one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your businesses. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So this is the homepage as you can see. If we scroll down, we have here System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, and we have here build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and that's it. So if you want to become an affiliate, all you have to do is just scroll down here and you will find here become an affiliate. So you can just click over it and you will find this page. We have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have earned 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. We have here strong affiliate tracking, open and simple rules. Anyone can be an affiliate. So here you write your email address and then you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. So if we scroll down, also we have how to get started and as an affiliate. We have the first step, which is read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Step 2 is read the info page about how System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you'll need to create content about System.io. And the fourth step, access our affiliate swag folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then we have here System.io, choose an offer to promote, explore our affiliate offers below. So once you have to do, it's just to write your email address here and then you click over to and start earning affiliate commissions, and you write your personal information, and then you will find this page, which is dashboard here as you can see. So first of all, we have your upgrade. About this one, we have the freemium one, the first package, which we have here these characteristics as you can see. The second one, it's the startup one. You have to pay $27 per month. Then the third package, which is webinar, you have to pay $47 per month. And the last one, which is unlimited, we have all unlimited in these characteristics, and you have to pay $70 per month. Also, we have your payment gateways, and this is the options how you can get paid. We have Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Page, and we have other things. You can choose the one you want. So right now, if you want to create a product, all you have to do is click over product and you choose, for example, physical products. You click over create and you write your name here, your description. You can just copy it on ChatGPT and paste it here. And then we have here SKU, product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory here, and the stock limit value here, shipping. Then we have here media. You have to click to upload PNG, GPS, recommended aspect ratio. So here you click over it to upload, and you have just to download it on canva.com. You have here there a various and several photos that showing that. And just download it and then upload it here. Then we have options here. Once you click over it, you will find here option name, option values. You can add another options if you want. Then you click over save and you're done with creating a products. This is about physical products. Then we have also courses here. You add a new course here and you write your name, your domain, your path here, and you choose the one you want here. For example, this one. Then you click over save, and this is how it works with courses or creating courses. Then we have communities also. You click over create and you write your name, your domain name, your page, and you click over save. And right now, if you want to create a sales funnels, you have just to go to sales funnels here and you click over create. Once you do that, you will have just to write your name and then you choose your funnel goal. For example, with an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. Then we have your currency also. For example, dollar here, and then you click over save. So this is how you can create a sales funnels on Systeme.io. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For an instance, if you are looking at the online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise, subscription-based models, and also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So, earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to strength and market demand, whether through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models. The possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is how it works with Systeme.io. You can just get started right now and earn money with it. So first you have just to read this information. For example, we have here the comment of a business owner, also here a business owner, and you have here an entrepreneur. And you have just to get started. You click over here and write your email address, and then you get started with Systeme.io. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.